Oh, here we go. Look at this.
Oh, what was that?
Is that literally a little barf bag? Welcome back. This is Bill, and you're watching Crash Course Travel. Welcome back. In this episode, I explore Bana Hills with new friends.
So they don't do 8.
I thought it was 8.
It can fit 8.
Okay,
But they don't do 8 in order to keep it
Asian
moving.
people. Oh wait, Asians.
Not 8 Americans.
That is giant Americans.
That's why I was making a joke, because they had all the little people on the sign, little tiny people, and even the biggest people. I was like, they need a fourth when Americans off to the right. Yeah.
Oh, cool. So Whitney, Gabriel, Nicholas, and Eli. If I don't make it off of here, I love you. And Mommy Pie's doing what she
You're gonna
loves.
make it. You're gonna
Oh.
Yeah.
Look how cool.
You go.
Stop
going
up there. Yeah,
fast.
he's caught in the middle somewhere.
Stop.
No, it isn't.
Only-
Right there it is.
I'm just
Hey,
messing
why
with
is it stopped?
It's not. Stop.
So we can take pictures. Yeah.
That's right.
Only if they slow.
They were just
So it's
being
just like
considered.
it's like a ski lift. If they have to slow it down because there's slower people getting on and off,
Okay.
so then it slows
There you
down
go.
the whole line. Okay, so we're gonna do a bump.
Yeah.
Is that literally a little barf bag?
Yeah. It's a
Oh,
Look at that
Wanna go to the
waterfall.
tower?
So beautiful.
That's pretty funny.
Wow! 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 Wow!
Are we
wow.
here right now?
look at the waterfalls.
Yeah, we are here.
This is amazing.
No, we're not here.
Is this real life?
Yeah.
What are my friends doing on a Monday?
Yeah. They're not doing this.
I mean, we're going pretty fast.
Yeah, we all moving along.
Wow.
We might survive long enough to roll down the mountain a little bit.
Bill steps forward with the reality check.
I mean, there's worse ways to go.
Yeah. So after taking the cable car up, you're basically going to have two different stops. And this first stop is where you have the Golden Bridge and the hands, which most people take pictures at, and you'll see why. As well as some gardens. It's pretty up here for sure. And like I said, this is the first stop, and then the next stop we go to will actually be the amusement park area with a lot more shops and restaurants, etc. But here, we'll take a look around here real quick. Oh, here we go. Look at this. Here's the hands. Aww. Oh, that's cool right there. But you know what's even cooler than that? Look at this. That's what's cool. Holy shit. Look at those mountains in the background. We got the temple over here. You can hear the the bugs still over here, the cicadas or whatever. You can still hear them over here. That's crazy. Look at this. Blessed to be alive. What a wonderful day. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? This is the view.
If I could get a good photo.
You see Danong down in the valley there, down by the ocean. You can zoom in here. Look at this.
I love the mountains.
Got you. Well, hold on. Ooh, oh, what was that? It's okay. Oh, it's okay.
We're cruising.
What's that bolt loose? No, I'm kidding.
You said, what was it? Where were you gonna go? Where were we gonna go? Where were you going to go?
We were gonna She was gonna panic.
All and die.
Now look at this.
It's beautiful. We'll say hi to everybody. Look at this. Yay. Superstars. All right.
I know, I'm in a lot of video now.
Yeah, you are.
You are.
You're gonna be famous.
I don't have to send anybody my pictures. I can just send them your YouTube videos.
There you go. Here was my trip. See how awesome.
Going to the French
Village.
I almost said French Quarter.
That's nice too.
I'm having a great time. How about you?
Hey, how we doing?
Yeah.
Oh, this is cool.
This thing is massive.
It is massive. Oh my
Is this where
god.
the hotel is?
This is where the
Yes.
hotel and
Wow.
this is all the amusement park stuff up
Stop
here.
it.
Something to look forward to coming back to.
I didn't know it was on the medieval castle. Look at the hands in there too on that rock. Wow. Look at behind you.
I know, it's amazing.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Until next time, farewell.